Very good teacher yan. Oh. Very good grade leader. Grade 6.
Mrs. Alacapa, she is a dedicated and committed teacher. She works more than the time allowed for her. Overtime, she trains her students for the competition, even if it is Saturday or holidays. She's here in school. She is that committed to her work.
Mrs. Narcisa Alacapa, or popularly called as Nani by her colleagues, is an accounting graduate who discovered her passion in teaching. She has been in the teaching profession for 12 years. She teaches mathematics in grade 6, a grade leader, and a trainer as well.
The essence in mathematics not to make simple things complicated, but to make complicated things be simple. So, yun lang yun. Ang math kasi napakahirap na subject. Kapag ka ang teacher hindi pa marunong gumamit ng strategy, mahirap na nga eh. Kung terror ka pa, ay lalo mo naman tututunan ng bata. Diba? Kapag ang komplikadong problem sa math, pag di mo pinasimple, hindi yan maintindihan ng bata. So, make it simple. Show me and I'll remember. And involve me and I will understand. Like for example, pagka ang topic is what? Pagluluto ng bigas. Pag sinulat mo yan paggamit ng simple machine na rice cooker, susulat ng bata yan sa blackboard. Okay, nakalimutan mo nila. I-show mo sa kanila, i-demo mo. Okay, meron sila doon. Tatandaan nila. Pero pag saingin mo sila, dun yun. Yun ang pinaka-the best example ng coach na yun ni, I think, Confucius, si Confucius yun. So yun. Kahit magkamali sila, matututo sila sa mali. Yung mga ganong simple bagay na maiintindihan ng bata, ikaw pa intindihan. Engage mo sila.
Tens, 100,000. 1, 2, 10,000, 100,000. 10,000, 1 million, 10 million. 1 million, 10 million. 100 million, 1 billion. I know the place value. I know the place value. 100,000. 1, 2, 10,000, 100,000. 10,000, 1 billion, 1 billion. I know the place value. I know the place value.